This is the MCTV Weekday Update.
Welcome to the MCTV News Update. I'm Uvie Bikomo. Yesterday, Texas Tech President Lawrence Gubernec announced the opening of the grant application for students to receive emergency funding from the university through the Federal Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, or CARES Act. The act provides funding for expenses related to the disruption of campus operations due to COVID-19. Students may request up to $500 each month for 2 months during the first round of funding. Students may request the funds for food, housing, course materials, technology, healthcare, childcare, and other expenses. Students who don't qualify for emergency grants but have immediate needs are encouraged to apply for funding through the Raider Relief Fund. Starting today, the City of Lubbock Health Department is partnering with City Bus to provide transportation to the COVID-19 drive-through testing site at the Patterson Library at 1836 Parkway Drive. The drive-through site is open from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Those utilizing City Bus will be required to put on a face covering and gloves before boarding the vehicle. To make an appointment, call the Health Department at 806-775-2933. There are no costs for the testing and no costs for the transportation for those who have signs or symptoms of COVID-19, fever, cough, shortness of breath, have been around someone who has COVID-19, or those who are healthcare workers or work in a facility that cares for high-risk groups, such as retirement or group homes. On Monday, the City of Lubbock released an updated map of community-acquired COVID-19 cases by zip code. A case is classified as community-acquired if there is no other known exposure to the illness or a known case. The 3 zip codes with more than 10 cases are 79423 and 79416 with 10, and 79424 with 11. 68 of the 73 positive community-acquired cases in the city are included on the map. New data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention suggests a higher death toll than reported. According to the new statistics, fatality rates in 7 states severely hit by the coronavirus were nearly 50% higher than normal over a 5-week span during the pandemic, and the death toll in those states were 9,000 more than the official counts. The gap between total mortality and the official count of the coronavirus deaths probably reflects both an undercounting of coronavirus deaths and a surge of deaths from other causes. Yesterday, President Trump declared meat processing plants critical infrastructure in an effort to ensure facilities around the country remain open as the government tries to prevent looming shortages of pork, chicken, and other products as a result of the coronavirus. The action comes as meat plants have turned to coronavirus hotspots, making thousands of workers sick. According to the United Food and Commercial Workers International Union, as of Thursday, 13 meat packing and food processing plants had closed at some point in the past 2 months, resulting in a 25% reduction in the nation's pork slaughter capacity and a 10% reduction in beef slaughter capacity. President Trump has said recent closures of meat processing facilities threaten the functioning of national meat and poultry supply chain. That's a look at today's news for MCTV. I'm Uvie Bikomo.
Reporting from Austin, Texas, I'm Madison Hartin, and this is your MCTV weather update. Well, it looks like it's been a hot one in Lubbock, Texas today. We did not quite reach 100 degrees yet. That is still coming later in the week, but it did get very close there. The high temperature for today is 97 degrees. A northeasterly wind is coming at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And of course, it is Lubbock, Texas in the springtime, so there is a lot of sunny conditions. Those clear conditions are going to continue as we move into this evening. The temperature will cool down to 52 degrees as the wind shifts to coming from the south by southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Now, looking into our 3-day forecast, we can see that for Thursday, it's still going to be hot, but a little bit cooler that day due to the wind, with a high of 91 degrees, low of 65, mostly sunny outside, a little bit breezy, with a south by southwesterly wind coming at 20 to 30 miles per hour, but higher wind gusts are still possible. For Friday, we have a high of 98 degrees, so not quite reaching 100 degrees yet, but getting awfully close there, with a low of 65, partly cloudy conditions, and a west by southwesterly wind coming at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then for Saturday, the day we have all been waiting for, or at least I have been waiting for, we are finally going to break 100 degrees in Lubbock, Texas, with 101 degrees being our high for Saturday. Low is going to sit at 62, sunny conditions, of course, and a west by southwesterly wind coming at 10 to 20 miles per hour. I really wish that I was going to be in Lubbock, Texas, getting to experience all the West Texas weather that I love so much, especially on our first 100-degree day with so close to record-breaking temperatures. But sadly, I'm still in Austin, Texas practicing social distancing, but I look forward to getting back up to Lubbock, Texas to experience the weather as soon as I can. I'm Madison Hartin for MCTV Weather. Be sure to check tcuhub.net every day for more weather updates.